Yeah, stairs. Hey guys, this is Crystal Coalition Gaming. If you've never built your own setup before, we're going to show you the most important part of any gaming setup, the desk and the chair. Well, also I guess the computer. Special thanks to Flexispot for sending out their E6 desk, their OC1 Ergonomic Chair, and the 55 by 28 desk. We'll talk about the size of this stuff later in the video. So let's get everything unboxed and check out the parts. So we got everything unboxed on the floor right now. Here's the chair, and something that's unique about the chair that I haven't seen in other chairs that I've built is the base is multi-piece. Usually what you see with bases is that the whole star piece is all one, but here you assemble that. So it looks like there's more parts than you would normally expect when building a chair, but for the most part, it looks like we'll get through this pretty quickly. When it comes to the electric sit-stand legs of the desk, and the desk frame in general, there's a lot more parts involved. There are some sort of nice things that Flexispot includes, like wire manager with double-sided tape. You put this on the back of your desk, let cables hang a certain way through it so you can just pull them up and they won't fall back. They care about your wire management as well with a roll of Velcro. So that'll be nice to use. And something that also stands out about this E6 desk is that this one includes wheels in case you wanted to roll it around your office or your room if you have hardwood floors to do that with. It'd probably also work on carpet, but I wouldn't recommend it. I'd rather stick with the default feet that are like this, and then you can just put carpet sliders on them to slide it around as necessary. It looks like everything's here. We have the controller with memory, which is nice, so you can set different positions for the desk to go up and down to. Everything is heavy and sturdy, and let's talk about the tabletop now. All right, let's get it all set up. Done. These things look great. They were pretty straightforward to assemble, especially going by the directions in the manual. So now it's time to put some stuff on it. So this is the Flexispot OC1 Ergonomic Office Chair. It's one of their more budget options, coming in right now, actually on sale as we speak, about $85 because it has some discounts applied. Normally it's around $200, which for ergonomic office chairs is still not a bad price. We've got adjustable lumbar support here with the dial. That's nice to see. It's a mesh back, so it's breathable on your back, so you don't get all sweaty back. Also, the gas shock on it is adjustable. We got it right there. This is as high as it goes at 5'9". My feet kind of barely touch, so good height. And then, and also for arms, because I actually like adjustable arms. Well, this isn't independently adjustable arms. You can flip them up, and also you have adjustment this direction as well. Something I like to see on office chairs, just in general, is cushions on the arms. Not this hard plastic stuff you see on a lot of office chairs. That will wear on your elbows and like it's uncomfortable. And this one already has cushions. My own office chair at home, I had to buy cushions to strap onto those armrests, and this already has it. That's a nice feature. And you got a solid foam seat on it, and I'll show you what I mean by solid in a second here. We got the metal base on that was assembled, and you have your standard size little roller wheels on there, which some people might want to swap out with like the rollerblade style wheels, something like that. Super solid, as a matter of fact. We got adjustable headrest right here. It doesn't seem to pull up that much, so it's going to be more of a neck rest, kind of like that. But that's pretty comfortable. Actually, I was wrong about the headrest. It is slightly adjustable. It has a button on the back, so you can raise it and lower it. So that is nice. So this desk can actually go really high, but specifically, it also has a 352-pound weight capacity, which for some of these, it's you know, they're not that strong, and this one can handle quite a lot of weight and go pretty high while doing so. So pretty impressive. This is pretty awesome, Flexispot. Look, it's still going. It's almost scary how high it is going to be. We had to move it from next to where the stairs were because he was afraid I'd fall off the whole back of the stairs. But you know, here we are, still going, and I weigh like 220, and this thing is just handling it. Now it's getting wobbly at this height, so I don't suggest a lot of weight if you're going to take it up really high, but it can do it. And we reached the top. Man, yeah, this thing is awesome. It handles no problem. Something else about this desk that I like is just the quality. The legs are heavy. The tabletop is heavy. So when it comes to having a desk and putting stuff on it, weight matters, because if you put stuff on top of a desk, raise it up, You don't want it to be as wobbly, you know, like right now, this is just a solid desk, and that's good. An advantage you also have with sit-stand desk, electric desk like this, is you can get under them and not really hurt your neck or stress yourself out wire managing under the desk. You can just hang out under it, just raise it up, and it's nice and comfortable to do your cable management. Cable management can get annoying, so anything to make it easier is a bonus. While Flexispot included some cable management stuff like Velcro and the wire manage guide thing that's made of rubber, they also included these, which are super nice because they're adjustable, but there's like 5 or 6 of them in the package. Throw them up under the desk, tie your cables under it, done. Right now, at the time of filming, this desk costs $369, but on Amazon it also has a $70 coupon, so $300 for the whole package. Pretty good deal, if you ask me, because the maximum weight capacity and the height adjustability that it offers is pretty significant in comparison to a lot of competition out there. If this fits within your budget for the setup that you're building, then I do recommend it. It has solid features, solid capacity, solid range. It's good. With that said, let's see what a real setup on this looks like. Now that we have a setup on here, back to what I was talking about desk size, is that, as you can see here, 1 monitor, 1 mic, keyboard, mouse, and 1 desktop computer on the desk, and it already looks like we're running out of space. This is still a good amount of desk space for a setup, but if you went with the smaller one, the 4-foot desk, you'd see we'd run out a lot quicker. So just something to think about when choosing your desks for your setup, because something like that can be very important, especially in the long run. You might not think you need that much space, but it goes away fast. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/CoalitionChris. So feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and let's talk some tech, desk, setups, whatever you like. Anyways, that's it for me. Hopefully you guys like this video, like the desk setup, like the products. Special thanks again to Flexispot for sending it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video or in the next stream. Bye.